Hi everyone!
Today I'll guide you through the prerequisites to connect HubSpot with WhatsApp using Eazybe. Step 1. Ensure you have an active HubSpot account. First, make sure your HubSpot account is still active and functioning. If you are new to HubSpot, you need to set it up before proceeding. Step 2. Install the Eazybe WhatsApp extension. Next, verify the Eazybe WhatsApp extension is installed and properly connected to your WhatsApp web. This is essential for seamless integration. Step 3. Check permissions. Now, check with your administrator to ensure you have the necessary permissions. Specifically, you need App Marketplace access and file access permissions to connect HubSpot to WhatsApp. Final step, ready to integrate. Once you've completed these steps, you are ready to integrate HubSpot with Eazybe. For detailed instructions, check out our step-by-step guide on installing and connecting Eazybe with your HubSpot account. That's all for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.